Good morning to one and all my friends. So, today's topic is how to find your inner peace and happiness. How to find your inner peace and happiness. So, our first point is declutter your room. Declutter means that remove your things that you don't need. Okay. So, as mentioned earlier, your mind can be linked to a room. When that room is occupied with thoughts of what if and how not, plus work issues and family matters, there is no way you'd have enough space to do other things. This would take lots of practice and patience within oneself because you can't just tell yourself, hey, stop thinking, and boom, you just stop. You have to consciously remind yourself to not overthink things and only take what you can handle. Even the bravest people break down, so take some time to clear. So take some time to clear your mind of unimportant matters. You need that space. Okay, you need that space. Second point is take responsibility for your actions. It takes a whole level of maturity to take responsibility for your actions, especially when it's something you are not proud of. But to find your inner peace, you have to accept your faults at all. Okay. Our third point is accept the fact that you are human. Accept the fact that you are human. Alongside taking responsibility for your actions, realize that you do not have control over everything. You are human and there's only so much you can do about anything. When you finally come to terms with this, you would stop blaming yourself for stuff that you did not cause and could not prevent. Okay. Our fourth point is your issues don't define you. Your issues don't define you. When facing a long-term illness or disability or going through a series of tragic experiences, many are tempted to look at themselves through the eyes of their experiences, which is no surprise when others do the same. You are not your issues. Yes, you may have anemia or have lost someone, but that is only a minute part of your life. It doesn't entail your whole life and it certainly doesn't describe you. Constantly remind yourself of this and watch people change their perception, anubhuti about you as well. Fifth point is set boundaries for yourself. Set boundaries for yourself. We all like to be free and do whatever it is that we dream of. So boundaries may sometimes look like our enemies, but they aren't. Instead, boundaries help us stay in check and be in charge. Therefore, the sooner you start setting boundaries, the better. Some of the boundaries you should set include social media time, talk time, TV time, and work time. Okay. Sixth point is take a break. If you struggle to take breaks, then you are the one person who needs it the most. Even phones and laptops begin to overheat and lag when they are used for longer periods at a stretch. It's okay to put your life on hold for the world. Go on a vacation, travel the world, and visit a park. Our seventh point is talking with God by praying from the heart. Seventh point is talking with God by praying from heart. Our eighth point is be early. Our eighth point is be early. This may not sound like an inner peace hack because there is no hack to this thing, but it does help with keeping your inner peace. Hey, have you noticed how confused and disorganized you get when you are running late for an event? You just get tense and worked up trying to figure out things if any goes wrong. So, when you have to be at an event, try to get there at least 15 minutes before the time. You would notice how calm you would be even if anything goes wrong because there would be a few minutes to sort it out. So, our final thoughts. Once again, there is no one size fits at all when it comes to finding your inner peace. So these steps may not be exactly what you expect. The good news though is that these steps provide the basic foundation you need to find it. As you work on this, you will begin to find out other things you need to start or get rid of to hit that climax of inner peace and lasting happiness. So thanks for watching. Keep smiling and take care of you and your families and keep supporting to me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, share and comment and press bell icon for new videos. Thank you.